for you for the coming few days. I'm going to show you the big picture from the Atlantic. Yes, quite a bit of cloud. It doesn't look particularly promising as this drapes its way down towards particularly the northern half of the British Isles. That's tied in with a warm front, and then this rather threatening cloud out here in the Atlantic, well, that's the presence of a cold front gradually working its way towards the British Isles as well. But it's a slow old process. Thankfully, in between, we've got a big area of high pressure, and that really is going to be the dominant feature over the next few days. And you see that as we move on through Tuesday into Wednesday and Thursday, so it's very much there right across the country. And as I say, even by Thursday, it's still hanging on across many of these central and eastern areas, keeping that big black area of cloud just at bay to the western side of the British Isles. Now, the general feel of the days will also change over the next 3 or 4 days, because we're going to lose this rather cool northerly breeze that many of you have seen in the past 3 or 4 days or so, and we'll change it by Friday for something coming out of the south or southeast, a much milder direction. So what? So it's actually going to warm things up quite noticeably. I'd have thought we'll be looking at temperatures rising by around about 3 or 4 degrees, and certainly we see these darker colours indicating the rise in the temperatures. We could well be looking at 24, 25 degrees in the south by Friday. So here's some of the general themes. Mostly dry, not wall-to-wall sunshine, but some brighter intervals, and it will turn warmer as well. Now, that's all some way off. Let's come back to the here and now. As you've seen from the satellite picture, there's more cloud closer to that front across the north and west of Scotland, and eventually I think we'll see the odd spot of rain getting into Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, for much of England and Wales, it's largely fine and dry, and where you keep the sunshine, we could well get the temperatures to around about 20 or 21 degrees. Now, come tonight, we'll bring that band of cloud and rain down across Scotland and Northern Ireland, eventually getting into the north of England, and I think there, with all that cloud around, it won't be a cold night by any means at all. But further south with clearer skies, you might just get into single figures. Tuesday starts off with that band of weather across the north of England, southern Scotland, and for a time Northern Ireland. Eventually that will gradually fizzle away with a lot of dry weather around, just 1 or 2 showers I would have thought. Temperatures akin to what we're seeing just at the moment. Then on Wednesday, with that high pressure really close by to us, a lot of fine and dry weather, a little bit of mist to start off today, and even as far ahead as Thursday, I still think there's a lot of sunshine to be had, probably a sunnier day then than earlier in the week. Anna.